Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access emoji picker into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. First, you need to open this notepad over here and going to now press Windows plus pick button. You need to press these two all together, and from here you can get the emoji over here. You can see the emoji interface is looking over here, and now we can select the emoji over here. You can select smiley faces and animals, you can select people, you can select celebration, you can select food and planets, and many of them over here. You can also select the GIF from here. You can see this is the GIF option, and you can also select this into your Windows. And yeah, so this is how you can turn on your emoji picker. So here what you need to pick, if you come over into the search option and going to open on screen keyword, and from here I'm going to show you, you just need to press this Windows key, and then you need to press this pick this dot over here. So if you just click this or press this all together, then this interface will be shows up. So this is how you can access emoji picker into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.